Now, just because it's soft glam doesn't mean that I'm not going to do the most when it comes to my skin prep, my base. I will be doing the most. Hi my Cola Pops, and welcome back to Cola's Destiny. It is your girl Nicola. If you're new to my channel and you're just stopping by, thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe to the channel and please hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video. So I did get a request to create this look with a TooFaced Sweet Peach Palette. I decided to do the whole soft glam look that everybody's doing now on YouTube, and this is what I came up with. Nothing too technical in a sense. Pretty easy. I'm sure you'll be able to recreate it. If you do, please leave a comment below and tell me how you did. So if you want to see how I created the look, please keep on watching to the end. Please make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, love you. Just gonna be priming my face using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I like to actually let that dry down before I add my foundation. I will be using my Hourglass foundation, and that's in Sable. Now, just because it's soft glam doesn't mean that I'm not going to do the most when it comes to my skin prep, my base. I will be doing the most. Okay, my lovely peeps, I decided to just shut my trap and allow you to enjoy the music while I get through this beat. There's nothing that I do in this video that's different from any other video. I basically use the same products and the same steps. And furthermore, I was a little bit distracted because I was watching Power. Oh my god, this show is lit.
about something.
I thought Ghost was the one that murdered Lakeisha.